Hello everybody, this is Chris from tweetai.com. Today I'm going to show you how to use the eBay partner text import feature. So first we open up our browser Chrome and go to the Tweetai website and log in. And here on the left you go to share your content, share eBay, share eBay partner text import. And then the next thing that you do, I highly recommend you do this, is take out a Terapeak subscription. So you log in with your eBay details, and if you're not already a member, Terapeak will prompt you to take out a monthly subscription, which is approximately $20 a month or something like that. First, you can search for trending things that sell. So I'm going to look for NFL items, NFL football, and what this will do is it will search for top selling NFL items on eBay. You see in the top corner here I've got the date set from June last year to June this year. There was nearly 4 million in sales of NFL items, and these items were especially popular. So I'm going to put the results to 50 results per page. So you go and copy those. And then open up Excel to paste special, text, and you only need the first column, so I'm going to delete the content of those columns on the right, do a data filter, and next we'll strip out the blank rows, and then contains item ID, item ID, and that brings up all of the records containing item ID. We'll delete those, and contains fixed price, and delete all of those records. Once you've done this, you've got a fairly clean list of the top selling items on eBay under NFL. So I'm just going to make a copy of those. Command C. And on the Mac, it's called Text Edit. So do a new file, and if you use Microsoft computer, it's called Notepad. And then I'm going to save file, Terapeak NFL. So now that text file is saved, I'm ready to do a data import into TweetEye. So go back to Chrome here, go back to TweetEye. You choose your eBay campaign ID, or you can add one in from eBay partner network here. And then here's the buy it now only items. Select the text file. And this brings in the items that we just researched on Terapeak. So I tick all of those. Almost done. And then we continue over to Facebook. Now I'm just going to log out of this account here. Log in with my Facebook account here, which I use for creating the pages. And on the right here, you can see where it says create. So you click create, go to page, and I'll create a group page, NFL items for sale, and let's call it a website. Continue to the next step. Facebook make it very simple for you to create a page quickly. Now, if you don't have a banner created, you don't have to do it yet, so you can skip the profile picture. Skip the banner page. You can add these things in later to make the Facebook page more professional. So now we have created a Facebook page called NFL items for sale. Pop back over to TweetEye, click continue to next step. Now, TweetEye will show you a list of all the social media accounts which you've linked, and you can link new ones by using these buttons below. Now, sometimes if you've linked TweetEye to your Facebook, it will automatically display the page, NFL items for sale. And if it doesn't, you can link it by revalidating the Facebook account here. So you can click continue to next step. You've got the option whether to use a bit.ly account or not. So we'll continue without using a bit.ly account. and then you can write hashtags or use call to actions from down the side here. So put best deal, best ever, be quick, check it out. I recommend that you use the full 10 of these. Daily offer, daily deals, anything that installs a sense of urgency, helps people buy, get it fast, and then click continue to next step. And at the next step, just leave the settings as they are. You don't need to do anything. We don't offer automated hashtagging for Facebook. If you want Facebook to show hashtags, you need to write them in on the previous step. So you continue to the next step. Then you set the dates. So this is today's date, and I'm going to send out the posts between now and December 2028, every day at around this time on a recurring 24-hour schedule basis. So in a couple of minutes we have set up schedules to go out for the next 8 or 9 years. Click save and post, and then click here to go live. And it normally takes 4 or 5 minutes to go through our system, but when it starts posting, the posts will go to the Facebook page posts here. Thanks very much for watching. Hope this was useful.